had the hiccups for 2 days.
Yes, I ate too much food.
So what are you going to try now?
I'm going to do a spoonful of stevia. It's the healthier route. Although a dash of stevia is so overwhelming of sweetness, I don't know what a spoonful is going to do to me.
But aren't you supposed to do sugar?
You're supposed to do sugar, but we don't have sugar. We have stevia, and stevia is the healthier choice.
And what have you tried to stop this?
I've tried holding my breath. I've drank water upside down. Our Trevi saw me do it. And you've tried scaring me.
Yeah, I tried to hit you in the gut.
Yep.
And
you're so sweet to me.
And you got mad at me.
That wasn't nice.
I was trying to help you. Now grab your stevia.
This is so annoying.
What's annoying?
These hiccups. Spoonful of stevia. Is this gonna kill me?
That's gonna really be bad. Don't. That's really too much, Lovey.
It says a spoonful.
Oh God, stevia is like, I think 100 times sweeter than sugar.
But it's not gonna like hurt me.
No, Lovey, no.
I need some water on standby.
You're in your undies.
See, darling, I don't touch it with the tip.
That's good. Darling.
See what happens when I don't do that?
Look over here. Do it.
I don't do it while I'm trying to take the thing down.
I'm supposed to eat it normally. Don't.
No, I have to like pour it down.
No, pour it. I think you should eat it.
It's so awful. It's so horrible.
I'm sorry, I'm laughing.
It's so. Wait.
Did it work? Did it work?
I think it might have worked.
No way.
Yeah.
No way.